Ano yung amoy nung perfume na ginamit ni Mary Magdalene para hugasan yung paa ni Jesus Christ? So according to my research, it is spikenard according to John 12 verse 3. Now what does spikenard smells like? It smells like deeply earthy, woody, and syempre oud. Now I've consulted ChatGPT, ano yung pinaka malapit na perfume na kaamoy ng spikenard. Among the recommendation, one of the most affordable na nakita ko at binili ko is this one, Latafa Oud Mood. Ang presentation na to, it's like fresh or kaalabas lang galing sa temple, no? Para siyang relic galing sa temple. No, it's very, for me, sacred looking. Now, if we are going to look at the inside, ito yung loob niya. Latafa Oud Mood. And it's very bright orangey na pagka-yellow. Kulay pa lang ng juice. I consider this not a beast mode but atomic. Tatlong spray, apat na spray. Pag mag-overspray ka na to, sigurado, amoy na amoy buong room. And grabe, I've tested and proven it. 3 days, nandyan pa rin yung amoy. And as someone na nahihilig sa pabango, I've realized, sobrang mahal nila. Especially yung mga niche, yung mga designers. The point is, if you own one very expensive perfume, are you willing to do what Mary Magdalene did? Can we do the same? Kaya ba nating ibuhos yung pabango na naghahalaga na katumbas ng 1 taong pagtatrabaho? Can we do that sacrifice